Well, there's now been months since the unprecedented leak of a Supreme Court draft opinion revealed the end of Roe versus Wade, the bombshell revelation leading to threats against justices and nationwide demonstrations. But now, 8 months later, a new report claims investigators may be close to identifying the suspected source of the leak. Correspondent Evan Lambert is live for us in Washington. So, Evan, what are we learning today?
Nichole, we did reach out to the Supreme Court about this. They have not responded, which is par for the course in what's been, so far, a secretive investigation. More than 8 months into the investigation of the leak of the draft opinion revealing the fall of Roe v. Wade, the Wall Street Journal reports the Marshal of the Supreme Court has narrowed the possible leaker to, quote, a small number of suspects. They include law clerks, but people familiar with the situation tell the paper investigators haven't identified the person behind the leak for certain. Little else is known publicly about the investigation, and it's not clear if a report will ever be made public. The leak amounted to an unprecedented breach of court secrecy outside of published opinions, and a whirlwind of protest outside the court and even in front of Supreme Court justices' homes. Republicans expressed outrage over the leak's consequences, which included the arrest of a man prosecutors say planned to kill Justice Brett Kavanaugh.
And that situation, as we all know, got real serious with the assassination attempt on Justice Kavanaugh.
They've also pushed for answers on the investigation.
There aren't many secrets in this town, but for some reason, this individual has certainly been sheltered, and there is absolutely, I think, evidence that there are specific people that know who this person is, and why they haven't been identified at this point is beyond me.
The leak and the ultimate decision to overturn Roe and leave abortion to the states has ushered in a patchwork of abortion laws at the state level. According to the abortion rights-aligned Guttmacher Institute and Public Reporting, post-Roe, 24 states have restricted or are likely to restrict abortion. Recent polls, like one by Pew in July, show 62% of the public supporting abortion rights in all or most cases. And that comes as several states, either through ballot initiatives or state courts, have protected the right to abortion or blocked bans from going into effect. That includes a deep red state like Kansas, whose voters chose to protect abortion rights in the state's constitution. And it is important to note, leaking the opinion is not necessarily illegal, but would likely come with consequences. Democrats have been concerned about another alleged leak. Several members of Congress sending a letter to the Chief Justice demanding answers about reports that the outcome of the 2014 Hobby Lobby decision regarding contraceptive coverage and the Affordable Care Act may have been leaked to a conservative group, which was reportedly trying to woo some justices personally. Nichole?
All right, Evan, thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.